We did it, guys. 100,000 subscribers. Thanks to each and every one of you for supporting Travel Fun 69. YouTube was kind enough to send the play button as well as a desktop version of the play button. We're going to unbox that and see what they look like. Before we do that, let's go back to the live stream and let's take a look at when this all took place.
You believe that it's stopping immigration.
I'll flip the camera. I'll say thanks to everybody. 1 second here. 1 second here. We'll take a little time out. Guys, we did it. 100,000 subscribers right here on Travel Fun 69. We just did it here right now at Dundas Square. Thank you to each and every one of you guys. I love you so much, guys, and I'll continue to keep doing live streams and delivering content. Absolutely, guys. Thank you so much, man, to each and every one of you guys. 100,000 subs. Cheers. What better day to get this? No other than at a Canada First Freedom Rally. Cheers, guys. Thank you so much to you guys. Appreciate it. Now let's unbox the play button that they sent me. Okay, so nicely packaged box. Okay, so here it says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. Okay, a little thank you card. And here is the letter from YouTube. Okay, I'll put that aside. And of course, this is what we've been waiting for. The play button. Ta-da! There we go. It looks like it hangs from the wall. Let's open that up. So here it is. Presented to Travel Fun 69 for passing 100,000 subscribers. Now let's take a look at the desktop version of the play button. Another nicely packaged box. This one's a little heavier, of course. It's the desktop version. Okay. And here is the beautiful desktop play button. It's got some weight to it, actually. Wow. I didn't expect it to be this heavy. Okay, let's take this out of the package. Wow, that has got some weight to it. So the front of it is just the play button. And then the back says Travel Fun 69. It says congratulations on passing 100,000 subscribers. And that can just sit on the desk like so. Once again, thank you so much for your continued support right here at Travel Fun 69. I couldn't have done it without you guys. I really appreciate your support. I'm going to continue bringing you videos and live streams. So do remain subscribed, and I'll see you on the next video, and I'll see you on the next live stream. Take care, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.